Came from mall.
Yan, ang tunan. Lito mo nito tunan ako. Mel, kumusta?
How are you? Fine,
Okay.
thank you. Dali. Thank you. Oo nga
Alis na kakain ko ng lagay na dito. Ano yung pre-pre? Sabi di ba?
Basta kung kakanta ng ano, is this going to show?
Hindi ka nila nani.
Kita na kayo sa wedding.
Sa wedding mo din, nato lahat.
sila sama-sama, ikaw mag-isa lang, or si Joy.
Hello, Tita.
How are you?
You're so colorful.
No, they said to wear like costume of the 60s.
Did
So
anybody
this
else?
is like, I know, I'm like the weird one in the group, right?
So nobody else does it.
But I said I spent so much money to get this costume, and then I said if I don't wear it,
Yeah, I
so I would
know.
rather wear it and let them laugh at me. That's fine.
They'll give you a prize.
Yes.